Alright, so we're gonna do truck video. Yeah, I haven't done, a video of the truck before. And I thought, it might be a good idea to do that. Right now it is hooked to my big trailer, which I have another smaller trailer on where I was mowing. And, yes, don't mind that. But this trailer I'm going to show you, I'm not sure, it's 3,500 pounds. It's 5x5. No, 5 by, I want to say 5x12. I ain't sure though. But yeah. Yeah. So here it is. I think it's got a 4-foot ramp, 5 foot, I ain't sure. And then here is the beast. I got moto medals on it. They are, I can never remember. 33 by 12 by 50. Yeah, it's a 2500 5.7 Hemi. Yeah. No, the inside's not too bad. It's real dirty right now. Work truck. A lot of people's gonna hate on this, but it's got a backup beeper. Here, glasses. Yeah, a lot of people's gonna hate on that. It's got a backup beeper. I'm right behind the bumper here. Yeah, right there. Yeah. A lot of people hate on that when I'm backing out of the parking lot at school. Because it's really loud and annoying. I like it. Calibers, they're blue. I took them off when I changed the brakes and painted them. Yeah. Oh, Lord. This thing's a house to get into. Especially with it sitting on its heel. I'm not gonna put the key in it because it makes this stupid sound. And it doesn't stop until you shut the door. Take the key out. So, yeah. But, hold on. But, yeah. It's a good truck. Trans is going bad. Let's just put it that way. Transmission is going. And it's not doing well. It still pulls everything, don't have a problem, but it jumps real hard when you put it in reverse. Like, no joke, the whole truck will just poof. And it's, it's kind of annoying. Yes, it is automatic. But I do have a 5-speed that can go into it. I do have that. But it is not here. It's at my shop where I've been fabricating the mounts for the trans. Because the mounts for this one aren't the exact same. Yeah. They're different. Yeah, there it is. Shot on the motor. Yeah, my park button thing's broken. Yeah. Big 5.7 Hemi, Dodge. Yeah. I've got a couple upgrades to it, not much. Just replaced the belts with a pain in the butt. Hood is broken. These hydraulics are not good. There will be a video of replacing these coming up. Just don't know how. I think you just pop that little thing clip off and it comes out of that ball joint. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's how it does. Oh yeah, I did get a new phone, so a little bit better quality. Damn train in the background. Diesel. Yes. I just got my braces off. They gave me a retainer. I gotta take a case. Yeah. Other than that, it's a little rough, you know. Ain't like most of them. I got a little rust up under here, I think. It's only on that side though. But yeah, tailgate's messed up. You can't open or shut it right now. Try to fix it. I need a whole new one. If you know where I can get a tailgate for a '01 Dodge 2500 Hemi 5.7, let me know. Stupid stink bugs. It needs a bath bad. So yeah, it's a good truck. I'm gonna take step stools off probably. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I love it, but yeah. Hold on. There you go. There it is. Yeah, but I like it. You know, it's not a bad truck. It's a little rough sometimes. But yeah, it's got a 6-inch lift. I don't know if I mentioned that. It does have a 6-inch lift. And yeah. Alrighty. This will be the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.